Hello and good day, everyone. Now we're going to create Windows 7 in VirtualBox or our machine. Now we need to create Windows 7 by creating a virtual machine, then name it in 7, then ISO. So this VirtualBox has a uh, has a feature that you can just put the product key, so it can be fast paced. Now I'm just gonna search product key for Windows 7, then open it, then I'm just gonna copy it, then there you go. Then I can put the password, so I'm gonna put end user. I'm gonna put the password there. There you go, then press next and finish. You turn on Windows 7 virtual machine. It's loading files. Your setup is starting. There you go. That's copying window files and expand it just for a moment. It will just pause for a moment, then continue after everything is done in installing Windows. Right now it's finishing installing updates. Now the update is done. It's gonna restart. Let's just wait for 10 seconds. To avoid some discrepancy. Now it's opening. You're gonna it's in Arabic because I downloaded an Arabic copy of Windows 7. I just gonna continue the setup. I'm just gonna pause for a moment. Now it's done. It's just gonna open starting again. I was just gonna finish up some setups on the 7. It's opening there, and for a moment, here we go. Now we're on Arabic version. Completing the setup. It's completing the setup now. There you go. It's installing Windows Solda. So genuine Windows with DVD. Ask for a refund because it's a pirated copy. Let's pause for a moment as it's setting up. Hey, let's check out. Right, it's restarting and it's opening. And there you are. We're inside Windows 7. Right now I want it to be English, so you need to check on finding the control panel of the Windows 7. So this will be, oh yeah, does it work because on a it's on it's on the Arabic, it's on the virtual machine. It's not so let me just research for a moment. Right now I found that I need to go to languages. So languages, first need to go back control panel, then find language and time. We can find language and time. Wait, let's check it if it's right. There you go. Language and time. Then go to there. Then change this machine language to English. Then accept it. Restart. There you go. End user. The password. There you go. Now it's in English. How it's done. We finished Windows installing Windows 7. Okay, to install guest editions, so you need to insert guest editions DVD, then open guest editions in the PC. Just press yes, and it's opening, then press next, then install, it's gonna install hardware, then just skip this and just Alright, now it's done, you just need to reboot it, then the Windows 7 will reboot. The guest edition will do is that after rebooting, it's gonna make the screen more larger and more compatible for a virtual machine with a native computer. It's opening. Right now it's open. Now install. We now have a native resolution Windows 7. Thank you for watching.